Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing Python 3, 11, and pip if you do not already have them. Create a virtual environment for this project to isolate dependencies. Use pip to install pandas, OpenPixel, and XLRD in that environment. Confirm your Excel files use, XLSX or XLS so you can pick the correct engine. Keep dependency versions stable by exporting requirements. TXT with pinned versions. Verify Excel reads manually before scripting to catch any corrupted files early. Load data using pandas. Read Excel with engine set to OpenPixel for XLSX files. For legacy, XLS files use engine equal to XLRD and ensure XLRD supports your file. Specify sheet name by string or index to read specific sheets only. Use parse dates on date columns to obtain data-time dtypes automatically. After processing, write results with df to Excel output. XLSX index equals false. Engine equals OpenPixel to preserve formatting. Always validate a few rows after reading and after automate repeated Excel tasks by running Python scripts on a schedule with cron or task scheduler. For large files, read in chunks and specify dtypes to reduce memory usage and speed parsing. Clean headers by stripping whitespace and normalizing names before merges or joins. Handle merge cells by filling forward or unmerging using OpenPixel utilities when needed. Log each operation, including file names and row counts, to a rotating log file for traceability. Include error handling and backup original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.